Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Lovely sunny day here in Suffolk, and today we're going to show you a little Seat Ibiza we've got for sale. So 2014 on a 63 plate, 1.4 Toca is the name of the model, 3-door with very low mileage on it, just 11,700 miles from new. It's a 2-owner car from new. We know a lot about this car because I sold this to a fella for his wife about 5 years ago. She has done very few miles with it, although they've had it serviced regularly. They've even had the cam belt and water pump changed on the car, but she's packed up driving, didn't need it anymore, so we've had the car back. It's absolutely beautiful, as you would imagine, with that mileage on. So let's show you around the car. Front's all in good order, as you'd expect, no stone chips, front fog lights. Down the side all good. We've got these nice little alloy wheels on here. I think these are 15-inch ones. Let me just check. They are 16-inch wheels we've got on here. Candy white's the colour, black interior. Underneath these, as you probably know, if you lift the body and the interior off this, it's all Volkswagen underneath, so it's effectively a Polo underneath, without the Volkswagen costs. Show you in the back here. So, nice bit of storage space. Down under here, pump and squirty stuff. Space for a spare wheel, but they don't supply it as standard. Load area cover, as you'd expect. Down this side, all in lovely condition, no scratches, no scrapes, no dents. Let's just show you inside. Door card, electric windows, electric mirrors. As you can see, black interior with grey inserts. Same in the back. Okay, there we go. Rear headrests, as you'd expect as well. Okay, so let's show you the little screen here. These come with a detachable, the Toca model comes with a detachable Garmin unit. So this takes care of sat nav, it does the Bluetooth, it does the onboard computer information. So it's all touch screen. So you can see, you can go into the navigation here, and then you've got Bluetooth and car information, which is in fact, if we just start it up, you can actually have your temperatures, RPM. It's really quite clever, this. So you can have all this information on the screen. Let's just go back and show you the navigation. See the map. It's quite clever because it's all wired in, hardwired in, but it's just like a normal Garmin, so it's updated and all that sort of thing. Lovely. Okay, moving down, we've got radio and CD player. We've got air conditioning in the car as well. 5-speed gearbox. And power socket down here. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. There we go. 1.4 litre petrol, all nice and clean and tidy under here, so it gets along quite well. So there we have it. Let's just run through that again. This is an early 2014 registered car on a 63 plate, 1.4 Toca 3-door Seat Ibiza. Just 11,000 miles, 11,700 miles from new. Full service history with it. Please have a look at all the photographs online because I photograph all the service history. It's lovely, really lovely, genuine little car that we know well. Any more information, please have a look on the website. It's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Alternatively, please give me a call for any more information. It's Simon Shield and it's 01473 658 091. Thank you for watching.